Mathematics is not just formulas. It is movement, patterns, and visualization. Let us explore the beautiful sine wave using GeoGebra here. A controls the amplitude. The wave becomes taller or shorter. B changes the period. The graph stretches and compresses. C creates the phase shift. Watch the wave move left and right. And D shifts the entire graph upward or downward. With GeoGebra sliders, students can instantly observe every transformation visually. No memorization, only understanding through exploration. This is the power of dynamic mathematics learning. Learn mathematics visually with GeoGebra. GeoGebra with K.Kumaravelu.